Jenkins backup and file copying are essential operations for maintaining data integrity and automating workflows. There are two main types: backing up the entire Jenkins instance, including configuration and job data, and copying files within Jenkins jobs as part of build processes. Understanding both concepts helps ensure your Jenkins environment is properly protected and your builds can efficiently manage file operations. There are three primary methods for backing up a Jenkins instance. The manual or scripted copy method involves copying the entire Jenkins home directory to a safe location, preferably after shutting down Jenkins to ensure data consistency. Backup plugins like Thin Backup provide integrated solutions with scheduling capabilities and selective backup options. File system snapshots offer efficient backup through volume-level snapshots using technologies like LVM or ZFS, or cloud provider block storage snapshots. Copying files within Jenkins jobs involves several methods depending on when and where you need to move files. Build steps allow you to use shell or batch commands like cp, brsync, or xcopy to copy files during the build process. Post-build actions provide more structured approaches. Archiving artifacts saves build outputs within Jenkins. The Copy Artifact plugin transfers files between jobs and publish over SSH or CIFS plugins copy files to remote servers for deployment or storage. Implementing Jenkins backup and file copy operations follows a systematic approach. First, identify your specific requirements, whether you need instance backup or file copy operations. Next, choose the appropriate method based on your infrastructure and needs. Then configure the settings, including backup locations, schedules, and target destinations. Finally, test and verify that your backup and copy operations work correctly. This structured approach ensures reliable data protection and efficient file management in your Jenkins environment. To conclude, implementing effective Jenkins backup and file copy operations requires following best practices. Establish regular automated backups, test your restore procedures, and store backups in multiple locations for redundancy. Document your processes and monitor backup success to ensure reliability. Both instance backups and file copy operations are essential components of a robust Jenkins environment, providing data protection and enabling efficient automation workflows. Choose the methods that best fit your infrastructure and operational requirements.